Let's see. You recording?
Mm.
Alright, I'm going to show y'all how to properly install the rings on a piston. Now, what we did here is we put in ARP studs, like 200,000 strength, pressure. Now, they're ARP. I knocked these out and pressed these back in. So we're going to show you how to properly orientate and put in the rings on a piston. So this right here is your main oiler spring. You want it to be 180 degrees from the front. So what I do is I put it on there and I line it up with the wrist pin right here. That's 180. Then we're going to take one of the scraper rings right here. This is an oil scraper. We're going to put it in at 10 o'clock. It's at 10. I'm going to put the bottom on. I like working from the bottom up. We're going to put this ring on there. Uh-oh. All right, we're going to go all the way around with it. Right there. That's at 10, right here. And the next one's going to be put right there. And this is at 2. We're going to put it down in that groove. And there you have it. See, here's the front. And you got all, I'm going to spin that around just a little bit more. And I'm going to spin this one just a little bit more. I can. All right. Those right there, they're oriented at, here's the center. This is 10 and this is 2. All right. We got that. Now we're going to go to the second ring. And these here, let's see if let's see, can you get in on that right there? Hold on a second. Right there it says top. Well, anyway.
It's hard to see it.
Anyway, it says top there. You'll either have a little dimple or a laser etching. This has a laser etching right here. It says top. You want to orient it the way that it says. Like naturally this is going to go toward the top of the piston. If it has nothing on it at all, then it could go either way. Now this one here, here's your top. We're going to put it at 8 o'clock. So right here I got to get my I'm going to get my my ring expander here. These are very easy to break. So that one's going to be right here. It's going to be at 8 o'clock. Well, right there. Now the next one is your top. And this one here on this particular one, and these are chromoly rings. This one here does not have any markings whatsoever. So it can be oriented this way or this way. It doesn't matter. So this one here is going to go at 4 o'clock. Here's your top. I'll put it at 4. $4 o'clock. and 8 o'clock, 4 and 8. All right. Now, this is just a refresher here. There's the top. I put the main oil ring 180 degrees, lined it up with a wrist pin. I come over here and put this bottom scraper ring over here at 10 o'clock, and this top one I put at 2 o'clock. Now the second ring I put at 8, and the top compression ring I put at 4. So that piston's ready to have this ring compressor put on there for us to install into the engine. All right.